Hi, this is Bill Mascas with Marimax and Stewart, and I want to show you this awesome 2019 160 Sport from Boston Whaler. Great little boat, a lot of fun. This boat comes with the trailer, fenders, lines, 2 anchors, cleaning kit, safety kit, life jackets, bow cover, total cover for the boat, bow cushions, twin bucket seats, the optional 19-gallon tank, battery with a switch on the top, carbon fiber dashboard with the RPMs and a depth meter, nice console storage right in here. You have the 90 horsepower Mercury with the cover. Trailer is included. A lot of fun for the sandbar. Again, this is Bill Mascas with Marimax and Stewart. If you have any questions about this awesome boat, as well as any other boat in our inventory, my number is 203-808-5088. Thank you and have a great day. I hope to hear from you. Bye-bye.